Have you ever built an automation in Zapier, Make.com or N8 and thought this works, but it's starting to get messy? I see this all the time. And don't get me wrong, I genuinely like these platforms. They are fantastic for connecting business tools, automating repetitive tasks, and helping teams move faster. In fact, we use them ourselves. But as your business grows, your workflows usually become more unique. Maybe you need to generate a branded PDF report with complex formatting. Maybe you need to process uploaded documents before storing them. Maybe you want to send files to an AI service for OCR or document analysis. Or maybe your automation needs to apply dozens of business rules before deciding what happens next. Yes, many automation platforms can call external APIs, but that's usually the point where a small custom backend starts to make sense. Instead of putting all of your business logic inside your automation platform, you move the complex work into a secure backend service. Your automation simply triggers an endpoint. The backend validates the request, processes the data, calls AI services if needed, generates reports, updates your database, and sends the results back. Your workflow stays simple, your business logic stays maintainable, and your automation is much easier to scale as your business grows. The goal isn't to replace no-code tools. The goal is to combine them with the good software engineering. That's how we build automations at NukyLabs. We use no-code where it makes sense and custom engineering where it creates the most value. Because sometimes you don't need an entirely new software platform. You just need one well-designed backend service that saves your team hours every single week.